Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with skincare, one of my favorite things to do. So I got my natural makeup on and I've got a new skincare system that I have not talked about on this channel yet. This one is called Flawless by Friday. I'm going to be reviewing their 5-day facial mask system that I've been using for the past week, just letting you know how this has been, the different products that are in them, the ingredients that are in them, the things that I like about it, and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and get started. So I wanted to start with one of my favorite things about this brand. This brand really teaches you and tells you to embrace your flaws. I, of course, talk about being a counselor all the time on my channel, and I talk about at the end of every single video I say, and I hope that you feel beautiful inside and out today because you are. So embracing your flaws, embracing who you are, not just outer beauty but inner beauty as well is really important to me. So finding a brand that really kind of, aligns with my values and beliefs is really important. So I just wanted to mention that as well. So this 5-day mask system is really cool. I have not seen anything like this before, and I think that it's really useful because the mask, you only have to leave them on for 15 minutes. Like some masks are like leave them on for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and I will either fall asleep or I don't always have the time. But I can easily just pop on a 15-minute mask when I get out the shower, when I get up in the morning. I've used some in the morning, I've used some at nighttime. Some of them, you start your day off with like nice glowy skin, or you wake up to nice glowy skin the next day. Either way, I feel like these are great to be used at any time of the day. But I'm going to go through all the masks in this system one by one because they all are for different things and do different things to your skin. So they're all different colors right here. So we're going to go through the moisture mask, which is the Monday, is Moisture Monday. So as you can see, this mask, the outside packaging is blue, just like all of the different masks are different colors. Like the next one, Tuesday, is like kind of orange peach. Next one's green, and then we have gray and yellow. So all of the masks in the packaging have a tint to them as well. And I'm going to show you how I use this one mask. I was gonna do all of them, but I figured that, if I just show one, you can see how I apply them and what I do afterwards for my skincare and things like that. So I'm just going to show you guys how I use just this one right here, the first one. And I also wanted to share with you that I'm going to be using this Flawless by Friday Forever Flawless Booster Serum. It's a white packaging, so you can't really see it that well in the light, but I'll take it out so that you guys can see what it looks like. I thought the packaging was very cute. So it's a dropper form, and all you need is probably like a few drops. I just dropped 1, 2, 3, 4, and then like one small one on my nose. So this one basically says that it's formulated with alpha hydroxy acids and hyaluronic acid to treat fine lines, acne, blackheads, dullness, oiliness, and uneven skin texture from clogged pores and scarring. So this is like the perfect mixture to use with a mask. So after I use the mask, you'll see it in the small clip that I'll show, but I'll use the mask, and then when I take it off, I just rub the essence, the rest of it, into my skin, and then I'll drop some of this booster serum on my skin, and that's literally all you need. These masks are very moisturizing and hydrating, so you don't really need anything else on your skin. So that's all you'll need. So just wanted to mention this booster serum as well that I'll be using in the clip, so that when you guys see it, you know exactly what it is. As I mentioned, this one is Moisture Monday. So this one has hyaluronic acid in it. And this mask, I just wanted to mention that all the products here, they are paraben, sulfate, and cruelty-free. So for this mask, like on the back, it says this intensive hydration mask pulls moisture from the air and delivers it to skin so it appears perfectly plumped and supple. And I will say that the morning after I use this, because I use this mask at night last Monday, and right after I used it, my face felt like really nice. My skin was like really nice and hydrated. And the next morning when I woke up, it felt just really nice, hydrated, and plump. And I have really dry skin in this lower half of my face area, so it was really helpful to combat those problem areas that I have. Okay, so moving right along to the next mask. We have a Toning Tuesday mask. So this is the next one in the 5-day system. So this one is a vitamin C facial mask. I personally love vitamin C so much. I was so excited to use this mask. So vitamin C is really good for hyperpigmentation. It's good for toning your skin, tightening it, of course, making it look more youthful, more bright. It really helps to brighten up dull skin. So I already knew that going in, that this mask would be a really good mask for all of those things I just mentioned above. So like on the back, it says powerful antioxidants protect the skin from external aggressors while improving the look of pigmentation problems like age spots and acne scars. And hyperpigmentation is something something that really affects my skin tone as a deeper complexion woman, and it is really helpful to use vitamin C. So sometimes I also struggle with dullness with my skin too. I work a full-time job, like 8 to 5 during the week, and then I usually come home and do like social media stuff in the afternoon if I have time, and that makes me so exhausted sometimes. So using this vitamin C mask really helped to make my skin nice and bright the next morning, so it looked like I had a full night's sleep, even though I might not have. But this mask really does really help out with a lot of things for my skin, my personal skin type. This one was one of my favorite ones. So the next mask in the 5-day system, we are on day 3, Wednesday. This one is Wrinkle Wednesday. So this mask is a green tea facial mask. And this one says that it diminishes the signs of aging by replenishing and maintaining skin's natural moisture. The invigorating extract contains antioxidants to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while visibly brightening your overall skin tone. Take a sip. So I personally drink green tea literally every single day, and I have noticed the antioxidant benefits in my body. So I was excited to use this mask to see the antioxidant benefits on my skin. And I will say that when I don't have on makeup, sometimes I get like fine lines, or sometimes when I do have on makeup, because it'll settle into them. I'm pretty animated during the day and animated as a person. I like to smile, I like to laugh. So I'll get fine lines here, across my nose, and on my forehead. So anything that's like anti-wrinkle, anti-anything, anti-fine lines, I'm all for, especially antioxidant, which is what this mask has for the green tea and the benefits that it has for that anti-aging and to kind of diminish those fine lines and wrinkles. So day 4 is a tightening Thursday. This is the gray one. So this one has caffeine in it. This is a caffeine facial mask. So on the back, it says, we all need a little pick-me-up come Thursday. Very true, you know, getting over the hump from Wednesday to Thursday, but you still gotta make it till Friday. So this mask addressed the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles to encourage the appearance of visibly younger and more luminous skin. Caffeine stimulating and antioxidant properties give skin a radiant glow, while other invigorating ingredients help skin to appear lifted and feel firmer. Caffeine without the crash. So I will say that caffeine is a really good product to use for your skin, not only for your face, but for your body. Like there's like caffeine face scrubs out there and different things that can really tone and tighten your skin for like cellulite purposes. For this face mask, it really helps to reduce the appearance of pores and just make your skin look tighter and more youthful overall. So I really noticed that after using this one. So after using the Wrinkle Wednesday, the green tea one, to help with those fine lines and wrinkles, and then using this one to tighten everything up, come Friday, my skin, I felt like it looked absolutely amazing, a lot more youthful, more hydrated, and a lot brighter after using this one. So we have officially made it to Friday. It is the Flawless by Friday final mask in this set, and this is the Honey Facial Mask. So this one says TGIF, this mask brings it all together. Soothing honey packs your skin with one last burst of hydration that helps to improve the look of skin clarity and brightness. Nourishing properties replenish and protect your skin's moisture barrier. You'll be feeling like a 10 just in time for the weekend. So this mask is absolutely amazing. It's really soothing. That honey in it felt really soothing. So what I did was, I usually like go out with my friends on the weekend. We'll go to like happy hour, we'll just like hang out, go to dinner, go out somewhere. So what I did was I incorporated this mask into like my skincare prep. So before like I did my makeup and stuff, like I came home, showered, like washed my face, did a face mask, and then like by the time I was ready to do like my makeup and stuff, my skin was absolutely flawless. My makeup was looking good. I felt like my skin looks really nice and clear and really bright, more so than it usually does. So don't feel like, you know, it's Friday night, I don't really feel like doing this, I feel like going out doing something else. You can incorporate this into your skincare routine, like right before you do your makeup, like I did. This is only 15 minutes each mask, so it was really simple for me to just incorporate this into my skincare routine, and just that one little boost made me feel even that much more confident, knowing that I took the time for myself, just 15 minutes out of every single day, that made up a whole week of a complete change for my skin that wouldn't have happened if I wouldn't have gone for this system right here. So think about that the next time you want to, you know, skip your skincare routine or skip out on, you know, trying something new for yourself. You know, it's something for you, something pampering for you, just to go one step further to take care of yourself. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about skincare videos in general, and let me know what you think about this 5-day system. I think it's really innovative. I think it's really smart and really helpful to, you know, just take 15 minutes to take care of your skin, take that time for you, embrace the flaws that you have, and embrace the beauty that you have in your own way, which is what I always try and preach on my channel. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will see a post on there after this video goes live. I actually have 2 of these systems, and one of them will be yours. So I'm going to do a giveaway with Flawless by Friday for you guys. It'll be on my Instagram channel. I'll post all the details for that on my Instagram, so go ahead and check that out when you're done. I will leave the products down below. If I can find links, I will go ahead and leave them for you guys too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I hope that you guys feel beautiful inside and out today, because you are. Especially today, I hope that you guys feel flawless, not only on Friday, but every single day. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.